Wherever you are, I hope you are well. Natural disasters on the event channel, welcome. Destructive fury ravaged Reutlingen as a cataclysmic hailstorm struck, engulfing the city in chaos. Monstrous hailstones, some 30 centimeters in size, transformed the streets into Arctic wastelands, forcing the deployment of snowploughs to battle the icy deluge. In the midst of this apocalyptic tempest, Reutlingen became a battleground for 250 valiant firefighters, braving the frozen onslaught to restore order. Desperate families wielded shovels in a futile attempt to clear the frozen arteries of the city, only to witness menacing ice mounds taking root on the pavements. The city's tribulation intensified, as an intrepid postman fought against the frozen torrent, maneuvering his heavily laden bicycle through treacherous rivers of melted ice. The Ekaz River, stirred by nature's wrath, surged an unthinkable 5 feet in minutes, briefly bursting its banks, leaving the city's heart submerged in peril. Reutlingen stood battered and bruised, its resilience tested to the limits, as a chilling reminder of nature's merciless power haunted its streets banks, but there was no major damage to the city. Officials said drainage systems were also blocked by the storm, causing water to pour into underground garages and basements. Thank you for watching, subscribe for more daily videos. Goodbye.